What? What are you doing? What are you doing? You trying to stand up in that thing? Uh-oh, look. You did it. Yay. What are you doing? Ah, you tired? You wanna eat? You wanna eat? What are you doing? You're working it. That's how you do it. You got it on. This other thing he might mess with today. Whoa! Jada. It's my beautiful dog in the background. Mama. Jada. Oh. What's that mean? What's up, little Gio? Set it off. Jada. Yeah, that's you. That's you. I gotta eat, man. I gotta eat, Baby J. Yeah, go on, stand up out of there. Keep your arm out. TV. The couch over there. The table. Surround system, satellite, and even a bullshit beta fish. What you got? Treadmill, stay in shape. What are you doing, little man? Okay, we're gonna take you out thinking we'll let you eat, and I'm gonna eat. Over and out.